So in this tutorial, we're gonna look into setting up DbVisualizer to connect to TIBCO data virtualization. So first step is actually go to Tools, go to Driver Managers, and now we're gonna configure a new driver in here. So actually, I'm gonna select the plus in here, and we're gonna use the custom one as a default. I don't want to lose that one. So that's gonna be the TIBCO TDV 8.5. So creating the URL format is quite easy. So that's the string. So in here, you can create your own custom patterns. So I'm going to put that one into the video description, but you're going to see it's going to be a fixed port in the beginning. And in here, we've got the pattern for the server defaulting to localhost, the pattern for the port defaulting to the default port, prefixed by the dots. And then I'm going to use domain, and I'm going to have a pattern here, going to default to composite. And I'm going to have the data source actually defaulted to nothing because I never know what the default is going to be. So next step is we need to jar file the drivers. So if you hit plus, I can link those. And actually you got two files in here. So I've got CS jdbc 8 and CS jdbc. My version of DbVisualizer is running with Java 11. That's why I'm going to go for the CS jdbc. If you're using an older version, just take the one, the file in here. So I'm going to stick with that one. Select open. It detected the driver class. So it looks good. We've got the pattern in here. We've got the class. Ready to close. So now that we register the driver, we can now create our connection. And now that we created our connection in the drivers in here, you're going to find the TIBCO TDV 8.5 driver. So let's get on. As you see, it now pre-populated everything here with the required field. So I've got my database server, my default one, the port, I got the domain. I have to add my own data source, which is going to be web focus, and I have to add my username and password and connect to my database. You see it's connected using composite driver. So there we are. There's the content, and here are all my data elements. So I'm gonna open it up, and there's my data pulled from the system. So quite easy to get there. So quite easy to configure. Thank you for watching.